How often do you find yourself converting between metric and imperial units? As an architect or a construction professional, this becomes regular part of your job. However, you may find this annoying at times when you have to do it numerous times in a day, and sometimes you also need to keep a record of those conversions because for accuracy or for future references, right? Now the story goes back to 2016-17 when there were no reliable online tools for unit conversion. Google often gave inconsistent result or just not the way I wanted. Therefore, I decided to take matter into my own hands. I decided to create a conversion table, and that would not only give me accurate results, but also present the data exactly the way I want it. In today's video, I will show you the conversion table that I created on a Google Spreadsheet. I know this may be redundant for 2025, but when AI has taken over, but trust me, it is very handy and I still use it to this day. So without any further ado, I will share my screen. Finally, the reveal time. So this is the table that I was talking about. The design is pretty straightforward. You enter the value that you want to convert in the input section, and the corresponding value gets converted, and you can see them on the output section. There are 4 units that you can see here that is feet and inches, millimeter, and meter. I could have also added centimeter here, but it wasn't really necessary because converting between metric units such as millimeter, centimeter, meter is not much of an hassle. So yeah, I think I will have to zoom in a bit for a better clarity. Let me zoom in. This looks pretty good. Yeah. So now what I'll do is I'll expand this table to give you an example. So I'm expanding this. Here you can see input section and output. Our input is in feet and inches. So any value that you want to convert, which is in feet and inches. For example, 15 feet. Let's say 3 inches. So that is 183 inches, and similarly you can see the converted value in metric, millimeter, centimeter, meter. Similarly, let's say 26 feet, 7 inches. How much of that? You can see its value here, right? Let's try one more time, maybe 52 feet, 8 inches. So do you see that? It's very precise, very accurate, and just the way I want the output to be. So yeah, you can enter the number of values. You can enter the number of values that you want here, and you can keep going. You can keep adding them. And just in case you run out of space, what you can do is simply drag this, and you can continue further. And the best part is you can keep a record of your conversion here. 55 feet, 5 inches. You can keep a track of all your conversion. So this is very helpful, just in case you need it for your reference. All right, so I will move to the next table. Let me minimize this, or contract, minimize this, and I'll expand the other table where you enter your input values in inches. Oh, I should have reset this. So where you enter your values in inches and you see the converted value here. Let's try with an example. Let me enter, let's say 56 inches. How much of that is in feet and inches? Right. 45 inches, 78 inches. You see this? So yeah, you can keep going as per your requirement. So I think we can minimize this. I'll move to another table. So here you have to enter your values in millimeter, and that gets converted accordingly. So let's try this with an example. 1495, to be precise, 1495 mm. So this accounts to be this much in centimeter, meter, inches. But look at the precision here, feet and inches. It is 4 feet 10 point. There are values in decimals. It is too precise. So you can round this off and make it 11 inches. Again, 5, 6, 2, 3. You need these kind of conversions when you're working on in a project. You see this? It is giving a precise value. Too precise. This is too precise that it could be annoying at times. All right, so you know the drill. And I will move to the final table here. I will minimize this. The final table is in meters. Let me reset this. Okay. It is simple as that. We enter our value that we want to convert, 85 meters. We have values here in inches, feet and inches, right? 23 meters, 25 meters, 89 meters for that matter. It is too precise, like I mentioned. So yeah, that is all about this conversion table. I will also leave a link to this Google Spreadsheet in the description box. Do try it at your end, fiddle around, and if you happen to like it and if you think this will add value to you, I'll be more than happy. And just to remind you, you can make a copy of this and keep it in your mobile devices. You just need an internet connection and you're good to go. You can use it from anywhere you want. And at the end of the day, if you feel there's any suggestion for me, you can leave it in the comment section. And do let me know if you want me to upgrade this table. I'll be more than happy. I will try this and I'll try to accommodate this. So yeah, I think I will have to unshare my screen and I will see you in the next one.